Hi, my name is Ray Chen, team leader at the Rudy Kusuma Your Home Sold Guarantee team. So today I want to share with you my experience working with Rudy and his team. So I did a couple trainings in here, and the training is very comprehensive, and there is a lot of new way of doing things and a lot of effective ways to help service our buyer and seller. What I like about being here is that we as real estate professionals, we get trained really well, and we do many things to make sure that the seller benefit and the buyer benefit. In turn, we can provide best service for our clients. So one thing is that we're doing the way we're selling home and buying home for our clients with more effective method, and another way is we're doing everything in a team manner. So for example, I'm a team leader at the Your Home Sold Guarantee company, but I'm not the only person helping one client. I'm a team leader, and I have my team members helping the clients, and my team members, they have, for example, TC, transaction coordinating people, they are marketing people, they have basically a comprehensive team that's helping to service every needs of our clients.